Okay, so apparently an XRP focused whale adds 20 trillion Shiba Inu, now holds 48 trillion of Shiba. This got dropped just today. Something is going on. Something is happening in Shiba Inu land. And just then as well, SHIB token is back on the top 10 purchase tokens among the 1,000 biggest Ethereum whales in the last 24 hours. To peep the top 100 whales, there's stats right here. Let's take a look at it right now. And you can literally see the information here. So look at this. Biggest token position by dollar value, SHIB token. That's all you really need to know. Now here's the ether scan of that big purchase from that whale, and you do see it right there. You do see the information right here, and this is a little bit of information in terms of the mega crypto wallet now holds a Hulk, the Hulk total of that many Shiba Inu worth $500,000, a little bit over $500,000. Now something's going on here. They highlight this information right here. You see that right there, that 48 and that 32. You see that purchase there. This happened recently, so I think something is going on. If you're making those big purchases, I know it's a big whale. This could affect people who's holding a small amount or even a bigger amount, but I think there's news about to come out that people probably know, because this whale knows. He does know what's going on. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Hey, top 10 purchase tokens among 1,000 biggest Ethereum whales in the last 24 hours. That's letting you know something is cooking. And when you see things like this, on the other hand, the deep pocket Ethereum investors are taking interest in Shiba Inu. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video.